Ever wondered what it's like to have a super intelligent assistant in your pocket? You know, someone who can answer any question, whip up a creative email, or even write you a poem on demand? Well folks, the future is here, and it's more helpful and hilarious than we could have imagined. This is GPT-4o. In this video, we'll be diving deep into the world of OpenAI's latest creation, GPT-4o, and how it's revolutionizing the way we work, learn, and live. From simplifying complex tasks to making our homes smarter, GPT-4o is changing the game. Alright, let's talk about communication for a second. Remember the days of clunky voice assistants that would misunderstand your every word? You'd ask for the weather and get the latest sports scores? Yeah, those were the dark ages. GPT-4o is different. This AI is like that friend who just gets you, even when you're mumbling about your complicated coffee order. It understands the nuances of language, the sarcasm, the humor, the subtle ways we humans communicate. It's like having a conversation with a really smart friend, except this friend doesn't judge your questionable life choices. And because GPT-4o understands you so well, it can respond in a way that's relevant, informative, and often quite funny. It's like having a personal comedian who also happens to be a genius. Okay, let's be honest, nobody actually enjoys doing their taxes, right? Or scheduling appointments or trying to decipher their credit card statement. It's the boring stuff in life that we all wish would just disappear. Well, GPT-4o to the rescue. This AI is like a personal assistant who actually gets things done. Need to book a flight? GPT-4o's got you. Have to write a strongly worded email to your landlord about that leaky faucet? GPT-4o's got the words you're looking for. It's all about taking those tedious, soul-crushing tasks off your plate so you can focus on the things you actually enjoy. Think of all the extra time you'll have. You could learn a new language, take up pottery, or finally figure out what the metaverse is. The possibilities are endless. Remember those days in school when you felt like the teacher was speaking a foreign language? Or when you were stuck on a concept but too afraid to ask for help? Yeah, those weren't the best times. But imagine a world where education is tailored to your individual needs, where you learn at your own pace and where there's no such thing as a stupid question. That's the power of GPT-4o in education. This AI is like having a personal tutor available 24/7. It can adapt to your learning style, identify your strengths and weaknesses, and even create customized lesson plans. Whether you're struggling with algebra or trying to master a new language, GPT-4o is there to guide you every step of the way. It's like having a patient, encouraging teacher right in your pocket, minus the chalk dust and awkward parent-teacher conferences. Remember in those old sci-fi movies where people had houses that practically ran themselves? Lights would turn on with a snap of a finger, the temperature was always perfect, and robots would bring you snacks? Well, thanks to GPT-4o, the future is here, and it's even better than we imagined because we actually have snacks now. GPT-4o seamlessly integrates with your smart home devices, making it the ultimate digital conductor. Imagine this. You walk in the door after a long day, and your favorite song starts playing, the lights adjust to a cozy setting, and the oven preheats itself because GPT-4o knows you're craving pizza. It's like having a mind-reading butler who anticipates your every need, except this one doesn't judge your questionable taste in music. Okay, let's talk coding. For those of us who aren't fluent in Python or Java, it can feel like trying to decipher ancient hieroglyphics. But what if I told you there's an AI that can help you write code, debug your programs, and even teach you new programming languages? That's right, GPT-4o isn't just for tech wizards, it's for aspiring coders too. Imagine having a coding buddy who's always available to answer your questions, offer suggestions, and help you overcome those frustrating coding roadblocks. It's like having a super smart mentor who's always there to guide you, without the judgmental sighs and exasperated head shakes. With GPT-4o, the world of coding becomes a lot less intimidating and a lot more accessible. Technology should be accessible to everyone, and that's where GPT-4o truly shines. It's designed with inclusivity in mind, offering a range of features that benefit users with disabilities. For individuals with visual impairments, GPT-4o can read text aloud, describe images, and even navigate digital environments. For those with hearing difficulties, it can provide real-time transcriptions and captions. And for people with mobility challenges, GPT-4o offers voice control and hands-free interaction. It's about breaking down barriers and creating a more equitable technological landscape where everyone has the opportunity to connect, create, and thrive. Because technology should empower, not exclude. So there you have it, folks, a glimpse into the incredible world of GPT-4o. It's not just an AI, it's a game changer, a productivity powerhouse, a personalized teacher, and a smart home superhero all rolled into one. Embrace the future of AI with GPT-4o and transform your daily life. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below sharing your thoughts on AI advancements. Are you excited about the possibilities, or do you think robots are going to take over the world? Let us know.